Hi, I'm Terry, and this is Terry's Treasures Unboxed. Today, we will be unboxing and demonstrating this Mogood USB adapter that I'll be using on my Google Pixel phone. Let's see what's inside the box. Hi, so we've unboxed this USB-C phone adapter, and I'm going to show you a couple little tricks with it. My husband and I, we have a Google Pixel phone. This happens to be a Google Pixel 4. And we go to infusions at the hospital for him quite frequently. So one thing I'm going to show you is how to access a movie from a flash drive onto your Google phone. So as you can see, we already have this plugged into the fast charger. We are going to plug in our flash drive, and we will connect that to the phone. And what we can do, you'll see this little symbol that looks like a pitchfork up here. Pull this menu down and you'll see that the flash drive is there for you to access. We're going to open it. And we have a movie queued up on the flash drive. And there we go. We have a movie that we can sit and enjoy on the phone while we're at the hospital. Another thing we can do with this is we can use a wireless mouse on the phone. So let's stop this movie. We will unplug the flash drive. Put in the one for the wireless mouse. And if you can see it there, we have a little arrow on the screen of the phone. We can access things on the phone with the mouse, which is kind of neat. You can use this cable on Google TVs, on tablets. The Google TV, it'll give you extra storage. And